Number 1.
1981 Dodge D150, price $6,000, with 98,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is powered by a smooth automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Its exterior is finished in a bold and eye-catching purple, while the interior features a clean and well-preserved tan design, creating a striking contrast that adds to its vintage charm. The truck's overall condition reflects the care it has received over the years, with the exterior remaining in great shape and the interior showing minimal signs of wear. What makes this D150 stand out even more is its custom handless doors and tailgate, giving it a sleek, modern touch while retaining its classic roots.
A premium Bluetooth sound system has been added, providing modern convenience without compromising the truck's retro appeal. Though the paint could benefit from some touch-ups, it's not essential, as the truck still presents beautifully and turns heads wherever it goes. All around, this is a fun, reliable, and distinctive vehicle that's perfect for cruising, showing off, or simply enjoying the open road. Number 2.
1972 Ford F100, price $8,000, with 92,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission with a 3-speed column shifter, manual steering, and manual brakes. The truck is finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, maintaining its vintage appeal. Powered by a gasoline engine, it has received several recent upgrades, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts. Numerous parts have been replaced, including the tires, carburetor, radiator, heater core, distributor, heater hoses, radiator hoses, headlight switch, wiper blades, master cylinder, shocks, and wheel cylinders. Additionally, the brake lines have been upgraded to stainless steel, enhancing durability and performance. A front-end rebuild kit is also included but has yet to be installed. Despite its age, the truck's bed floor remains remarkably straight and free of dents, a rarity among similar models.
Number 3.
1976 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, price $5,800. It is powered by a 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing a strong foundation for performance, though its exact mileage remains unknown. The truck features a white exterior, complementing its classic design, while the interior color has not been specified. Running on gasoline, it remains in drivable condition with good tires, making it a viable candidate for a restoration project. However, it does require some work to bring it back to its full potential.
Despite being operational, the truck has a leak in the exhaust system that will need to be addressed.
Additionally, a hot smog test is required to meet emissions regulations. It comes with a salvage title, indicating that it has undergone previous repairs or modifications, but its registration tags are up to date.
Number 4.
1987 Ford F150, price $6,900, with only 81,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a small block 302 V8 engine, it delivers a strong and reliable performance, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that enhances the driving experience. This truck is two-wheel drive, making it an excellent choice for those who appreciate the simplicity and durability of a vintage workhorse. The exterior is finished in a striking blue color, while the interior features a rich brown upholstery that has been beautifully maintained, capturing the essence of its era. Beyond its mechanical reliability, this F-150 offers essential comfort features, including both heat and air conditioning, ensuring a pleasant ride in any season.
The truck retains its original manual locks and windows, staying true to its classic design and rugged appeal. Number 5.
1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. It has 99,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a gray exterior, and a red interior. It features a long bed with dual fuel tanks and is powered by a 350 small block engine with an RV cam, mileage unknown. A brand new, rebuilt 350 turbo transmission has been installed, with receipts available. The truck runs strong and is still driven regularly, though the passenger side fuel tank has a minor leak due to deteriorated rubber fuel lines. It has typical Chevy rust on the bedsides, rockers, and quarter panels, but the floor and frame remain solid. The interior is original and in great condition, with the factory radio still working. It comes with mud tires and wheels, plus an extra set of 2-blade rims with tires and 2 rally wheels with tires.
A toolbox is also included.
Originally a restoration project, the truck is now being sold due to shifting priorities. Additionally, a brand new 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit is still in the box and available with the sale.
Number 6.
1990 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,000, with 193,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a 350 engine with a two-wheel drive system. The exterior and interior are both blue, and the body remains in decent condition for its age.
Mechanically, the truck is in excellent shape.
It has received a new windshield and rear window, along with new front brakes, hubs, rotors, and calipers, as well as new rear brakes. A new radiator and fan clutch have also been installed, and all fluids have been recently changed.
Notably, the frame and underbody are free of rust.
This Chevrolet 3500 comes equipped with power windows and locks, cruise control, a tilt steering wheel, and air conditioning.
An extra rear bumper is included. Number 7.
1989 Chevrolet Silverado, price $9,000, with only 50,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a powerful gasoline engine. Its silver exterior pairs perfectly with a blue interior featuring a newly upholstered bench seat and fresh carpeting, while the original dashboard remains intact. It has no frame rust or structural issues and comes with a clear title. Built for performance, the Silverado delivers serious torque and speed, easily burying the needle. It offers excellent road feel with high-performance tires and a signature Chevy rumble from the engine. Mechanically flawless, it has zero oil leaks or transmission issues, with complete maintenance records available. Buyers can even meet the mechanic to verify its condition, making this a standout find for any truck enthusiast.
Number 8.
1979 Ford F150, price $5,500. This is a project truck that requires significant work but has great potential. It features an automatic transmission and a striking red exterior with a matching red interior. The truck has been swapped with a 4.6L engine from a 1998 Crown Victoria, and while it does start and move under its own power, further work is needed to bring it to its full potential.
It is an original short bed model, adding to its appeal.
The registration is up to date, and the pink slip is in hand. The buyer will be responsible for smog certification, as the truck is being sold as is. It runs on gasoline and offers a solid foundation for a restoration project.
Number 9.
1974 Dodge Custom 100, price $4,800, featuring a 318 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. With 188,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has been well traveled and remains in working condition. It has a brown exterior complemented by a gray interior, maintaining its vintage appeal. Recently serviced, it comes with a new water pump and fuel pump, ensuring reliable performance. Additionally, it includes an A-frame, which can be removed if desired.
Powered by gasoline, this Dodge Custom 100 embodies the rugged durability of 1970s American pickups. Number 10.
1979 Chevrolet C10, price $7,900, with 35,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a beige exterior with a brown interior. Powered by a 350 engine, it is believed to have a cam and is equipped with aftermarket headers. However, since it does not have catalytic converters, it will not pass a standard smog test and will require a hot smog. This C10 sits on stock rally wheels with good tires and has received several upgrades, including new spark plugs and wires, as well as an MSD ignition system.
The truck holds a clean title and is currently registered as non-operational, meaning there are no back fees owed.
While it runs, the timing needs adjustment, and it experiences some backfiring.